Tesla rocking over here. Tesla is now in a 2-minute EWO. First 2-minute EWO on Tesla. Looking for Tesla to stay above 325. 325 is a double top. Everybody see where it's at? Okay, good. SPY pulling back right here. SPY getting that pullback. Watch for that double bottom bounce area around 6. Closer you get to 617. Tesla double top right now. There goes Apple flushing out. Apple to the downside. Apple's first 2-minute EWO to the downside. Tesla still at 325. Told you double top up there. Be careful. There is SPY double bottom bounce area for support. If it can't hold, it's going to crash out. Yep, SPY is not holding that area. SPY looking to see if it pull back down closer to that 616.38, which I've got marked down there. SPY looking getting closer to that 616.38 level that I've got marked out here for support. See if this can continue to collapse over there. Apple still to the downside. Same with SPY. Tesla pull back on the double top. Did I save anybody on that Tesla trade? Okay, good. Glad to hear it. Did anybody trade Tesla double top when you heard it called out? Okay, great. Good job. Congratulations. Is anybody here? Is this on?
Coach.
Yeah,
Right here,
Coach.
Coach.
Okay, all right. We're just checking.
Laser focus.
Yeah. Okay, I got you. Just making sure we're all here. Okay. There goes SPY looking for support down there. 616.38. Bounced at 616.46.
That 616.39 was the previous day high.
There it is. And